Hello and welcome to The Foodie. You're watching The Healthy Binge and I am Sid Kullar. Today, you and I are going to make a healthy and delicious quinoa salad. Today, the salad we're making is made with quinoa, which is naturally a gluten-free grain. The first thing I'm going to do is put some water into this pan and we'll start cooking the quinoa. थोड़ा mix कर दीजिए. The thing about cooking food slowly and taking your time while doing it, we get to know it better. And when you get to know your food better, it'll treat you well as well. Our quinoa is now done. पकने के बाद ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. When you bite it, हल्का सा दबेगा and there will be a little bit of a crunch. Now the second thing we have to cook on the gas is some garlic. So I'm going to put a tadka pan on the fire and I'm going to put a bit of oil inside that. और जब वो oil गर्म हो जाता है, then I will put in the garlic. It should start bubbling immediately. And there we go. Remember to keep the garlic on and off the fire because if it starts burning, it's going to get burnt before you know it. It's a lovely color and an even better aroma. The next thing we have to do is chop the spinach. स्पिनच को मैंने उबलते हुए सॉल्टेड वाटर में लगभग 30 सेकंड्स पकाया है और उसके बाद उसको ड्रेन करके बाहर निकाल दिया. एंड दैट स्पिनच वी गोइंग टू चॉप नाउ. वी आर गोइंग टू कट द सेकंड इंग्रेडिएंट नाउ व्हिच इज द मिंट. फर्स्ट वी टेक अ बंच ऑफ लीव्स और फिर हम इसको बड़ी जेंटली रोल करेंगे ताकि एक छोटा सा रोल बन जाए और फिर इसको नीचे रख के we will cut it. And we're done with all our preparation. All we have to do now is mix the lot. And the next is a handful of de-seeded tomatoes. After that, we'll put in another handful of cucumber. और उसके बाद some sliced grapes. और फिर some onions. And now that spinach which we chopped into bite-sized chunks, there's that spinach. Did you know spinach is full of calcium? In fact, most green leafy vegetables have a lot of calcium. You really must have a little bit every single day. Now we're going to put in some flavors. थोड़े मिंट के पत्ते लीजिए, उसको अच्छे से हाथ से तोड़िए. And now we have some de-seeded green chilies. अगर आपको ज़्यादा मिर्च पसंद नहीं है, just take out the seeds. इनका अलग से एक और flavor भी है, which you must try. And now we're going to make the dressing for our salad. Our dressing today is a classic vinaigrette, but instead of vinegar, we'll use lemon juice. All right, we squeezed our lemons. Now, जितना lemon juice है, we'll put 3 times the amount of olive oil. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि तेल 3 गुना तो है नहीं, so why have I stopped? Because you've forgotten all about the oil, that lovely, beautiful, delicious garlic flavored oil. Here's some salt. And now put on some salsa music and get ready to mix a brilliant vinaigrette. And there you can see, it's beautiful, it's milky, and the oil and the lemon juice have perfectly come together. And this is what we're going to dress our salad with. Slowly pour the vinaigrette all over your salad. This has got lovely flavors of garlic and lemon and extra virgin olive oil, and the whole thing has come together into this absolutely delicious package. And now let's distribute all these lovely ingredients and that lovely dressing throughout the salad. So here you go, guys. Our healthy quinoa salad is ready. Not only is it gluten-free, but it is a great meal to have at any time of the day. Morning, evening, night, noon, kabhi bhi. But just one thing here. If you're watching your calories, remember that the salad dressing portion of any salad is the most high calorie part. तो अगर आपको न्यूट्रिशन अपना बनाए रखना है और कैलोरीज थोड़े कम करने हैं, बस थोड़ा तेल को कम कर दीजिए एंड यू गुड. I hope you enjoy this, and if you do, please do let me know what you felt about it. Hello and welcome to The Foodie. You're watching the Healthy Binge series and I am Sid Kuller. Today we are going to make a pasta salad. Today we're going to be using fusilli pasta for our salad. There are many different types of pasta. Use whatever you like. Spaghetti might not be a good choice. Any of the little smaller ones are just fine. We'll add the pasta into the really hot water and wait for it to cook. It's always a good thing to add salt to your pasta while it's boiling, but do remember कि इसमें आप salt add कर चुके हैं, इसलिए finally आपको जितना salt add करना है उसको थोड़ा घटा लीजिएगा. Let the pasta cook in the boiling water for a little while. बीच-बीच में उसको stir कर लीजिए because otherwise they might stick to each other. Once the pasta is cooked, we'll drain it into a colander ताकि सारा गर्म पानी निकल जाए, and then to stop the cooking process, we'll just put some cool water over it. The pasta is separate and it's beautifully cooked and it's ready to become a salad. I'm going to take some pasta. जब भी हम घर पे पास्ता सैलेड बनाते हैं तो उसमें पास्ता इतना ज़्यादा होता है और वेजिटेबल्स इतने कम, we might as well be having a pasta. Why call it a salad? आज के पास्ता सैलेड में हम खूब सारे वेजिटेबल्स डालेंगे, कुछ फ्रूट्स डालेंगे, कुछ नट्स डालेंगे. It will be a brilliant and nutritious meal for your entire family and you'll love it. We'll put in some broccoli, juicy red bell peppers, and now some of these juicy corn kernels. Now these grapes will add a hint of sweetness and sourness. These sliced olives will bring their own unique contribution and flavors to this salad. Broccoli stem for flavor and crunch. Roasted salted peanuts for some salty crunch. Some lovely red tomatoes. Some yellow bell peppers for a hint of color. Now we'll add some oil to lightly sweeten cook our mushrooms. और उसके ऊपर some onions and finally garlic. When you add salt, add it to the entire salad ताकि मशरूम का फ्लेवर सैलेड में जाए. And we are done. Now after waiting for a bit for the mushrooms to cool, we're going to add them to the main salad. Now that I've got a jar over here, you know what I'm going to do next? Yep, make the dressing. और जितना नींबू डाला उसका 3 गुना तेल we'll add to this bottle. Now some salt and some pepper. Let's mix this. Now here we are, this lovely, delicious, nutritious salad that we've made. Plenty of nutrition for you and your family. लेकिन एक बात है, this is my recipe. आप इसे अपना बनाइए, add your own types of pasta to it. अपने तरीके से vegetables add करिए, fruits add करिए. And when you do, please leave a comment down so I can read your recipe and I hope you love it as much as I enjoyed making it. Hello and welcome to The Foodie. Today we're going to make a sweet, salty, crunchy fruit salad. ज़्यादातर अलग-अलग रंग के fruits और vegetables में अलग-अलग तरह के nutrients होते हैं. And today we are making a fruit salad which your children are absolutely going to love because it has so many different colors in it, it has different types of crunch in it, it is sweet, it looks beautiful, and for your purposes, it's going to give them a power-packed start to their day without any cooking at all. We'll start with an apple. Now I'll remove the seeds from in there. I'm sure you don't like to eat seeds. I don't. A little bit of lemon over the apples, and it'll keep the color of the apples just as fresh as they look now. Give them a nice mix, and we're ready for the next one. Now to get some citrus action into our salad. I'm going to cut them into different segments so that it's easier to eat. Just toss that into the bowl. You know, this is one dish where you just go chop, 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 toss, 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 mix, 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 and then eat, eat, eat. And I'm taking the papaya here. We'll chop that as well. As you might have figured out, सबसे पहले मैं सारे मोटे-मोटे fruit के chunks काट-काट के अंदर डाल रहा हूँ. And after this, we'll do some of the smaller ones. लेकिन पहले बड़े-बड़े fruits को अंदर डाल देते हैं. And now for some luscious, juicy strawberries. And we'll put some grapes into the mixture. These grapes will add a touch of sour and a touch of sweet. In fact, काले वाले तो बहुत ही मीठे होते हैं. And now for some of the black grapes. These grapes are less sour and really, really sweet. Pomegranate seeds are going to add a touch of crunch and a bit of sweetness and very little sourness. This corn is the frozen variety जो आपको एक बार थोड़े से गर्म पानी में रखना होगा, and then it will be just plump and juicy and each one will explode in your mouth as you bite into it. The salad needs a little more crunch and some saltiness. वो आएंगे हमारे roasted peanuts के साथ. This is the very last one, crunchy and nutritious watermelon seeds. The last four ingredients are a hint of mint for a bit of freshness, and then we have some salt, and then we have a bit of honey, and then we have balsamic reduction. Balsamic reduction is this very beautiful thing. If you've heard of balsamic vinegar, which is this Italian invention, and it's utterly beautiful. It's a little sour, a little sweet, and all I can describe it as it's balsamic. उसको ना हम थोड़ा सा reduce करते हैं heat के साथ ताकि वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा thick हो जाए. And that is what we use to dress salads and many other dishes, and it lends this beautiful sweetness to the entire dish. You've got to try it, and this is the best place to try it. You will love it. There goes our hint of mint, a sprinkle of salt, a little bit of honey. Now, doesn't that look absolutely beautiful? And then we have balsamic reduction. We need to mix this now to blend all the flavors inside. So, as promised, here's the nutritious power-packed breakfast for your kids to give them a great start to the day. I'm sure your kids are going to absolutely love this. And when they do, please leave a comment down there. I'd love to know what they thought.